Hello dear friends, welcome back to another video. This is Shafiq and you are watching my YouTube channel Mobile Info RYK. So guys, in this video I tell you that how you can create a free Apple ID in your iPhone, iPod and iPod Touch. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First open setting apps. Click sign in to your iPhone. Here we see the option don't have an Apple ID. Click on it. And create Apple ID, click on it. Enter here your first name and second name and enter your date of birth. After selecting the date of birth, click on next. Now enter here your valid email ID. And tap on next. Create here your new password that you want. Password must be at least 8 characters long. Include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. Uppercase letter mean capital letter and lowercase letter mean small letter. Select your country in which you live and type your phone number that you have already used and tap on next. Enter here your verification code that appear on your number. And click on next. We see here some terms and conditions. Click on agree. After that our Apple ID will be creating. Enter here your passcode and click on next. Verify your email address. Click on verify email address. And tap on send code. A code will be appear your email address. Enter here your verification code that appear on your email address. After that your Apple ID will be created successfully. Now you can able to download apps from App Store. I think this video is very helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.